हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर शो जिन टॉक्स विद अभिषेक। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते और ढेर सारा प्यार। आज जो हमारे साथ आने वाली है उनका नाम है सलोनी आहूजा और मैं आपको उनके बारे में बता दूं कि शी इज़ अ फैशन ब्लॉगर, स्टाइलिस्ट एंड ऑल्सो अ फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर। सो वो अपने फील्ड में, फैशनिंग के फील्ड में काफ़ी आगे तक जा चुकी है। तो चलिए आज हम सलोनी से खुद ही जान लेते हैं कि उनका जर्नी कैसे रहा, लाइक वो इतनी फेमस कैसे हो गई इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में। तो चलिए लेट्स कनेक्ट टू सलोनी। Hello, how
Hi,
are you, Saloni?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. So, welcome to our show, Gin Talks. And I just wanted to you to introduce yourself to our viewers and audience so that they can get a glance of yours.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for having me here. I am Saloni Ahuja and I handle my personal blog. So basically, I am a designer from Pearl Academy, and then I did my styling from NABA, which is Milan. So that's how I was able to explore. So I wanted to express my fusion of both different cultures in my blog. So that's basically my blog about and me
Okay,
as a person.
okay. Thanks a lot, Saloni. So, we would like to continue with some of the questionnaires that we would like to ask you, so that our viewers and audience will get to know like how you maintain the lifestyle and how you started the blogging and what's your inspiration and everything based on your life. Okay. So, should we start? Should we continue,
Okay,
Saloni?
all right.
Yeah. So your first question is,
Yes, sure.
who would you say in your number one fashion inspiration? Like who would you say your number one fashion inspiration?
So, well, as a designer, when my inspiration comes from my experiences, my life experiences. But if you say as a stylist, when I have to write a blog and when I have to talk to my audience, I usually focuses more on the latest fashion shows, and I pick some elements from different fashion shows, basically from Paris Fashion Week or India Fashion Week or Milan Fashion Week. So I pick few elements and then that becomes my inspiration.
Okay, that's cool. Our second question is, what are the some of your current fashion obsession?
My current fashion obsession. So
Yeah.
one of the best, like my obsession that has been since a long time is my love for monochromatic tones. So I like to style and I even like to dress as head to toe in a monochromatic tones. So that's my style and my obsession.
That's cool, Saloni. So we'll get back to like third question. This might be an interesting one. The best gift you have ever received as an influencer or a blogger.
Okay. So, okay, we frequently get gifts, but as
So
an
how many how
influencer,
many
if I
how
talk
many
about
gifts till date you had received? How many gifts you have received till date?
that, I don't have a fixed counting to it, but yes, that's one of the fun part being a blogger. You frequently get gifts, but
Hmm.
with this question, I would like to it's transform it from a fun to a different level. I mean, looking at the current situation or looking at the scenario, one of the best gifts in the past which I received was when I was able to, last week, I was able to raise funds for the ones. Like being an influencer, I was able to influence people, and then they were influenced by me, and they were ready to raise funds for the people in need, like in the current situation. So that was one of the most proudest moment. I would like, okay, I have been receiving gifts and wonderful gifts over the past few years, but this was one of the best gifts that I have ever received.
That's cool. So you helped many of them, right? Like, so you raised this fund for
Basically, I was
coronavirus
able
pandemic.
to, uh, yeah. So
Okay.
I was in collaboration with a brand, so I was able to influence people, and a lot of people have already raised money. So I
Mm-hmm.
was, yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So she is not only a blogger, she is also a like social helper also. So okay, fine. Yeah. So Saloni, our fourth question is: can you just tell our viewers about yourself and your blog? Like yourself, already you have told us previously. So what we wanted to know about your blog. What is like? Just give a brief about your blog. What you do, how you create the blog, when you started it, and with what motive you started it. Can you just give a brief of the blog about your blog?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, me as a person, like apart from professional, is like I love experiencing. I love interacting with new people. Maybe a stranger come up to me, and I'll be love to interact with them. So that's how I was like 4 years back. I was able to realize like how like when it comes to fashion and beauty, how it has transformed from one country to other. So basically how beauty is defined in some other country and how beauty is defined in India. So that struck up to my mind, and I wanted to like give a fusion of both in my blog. I want to show my audience like how it is transformed and how we can fuse and create something interesting and creative. So that's what I love doing, and that's what I show in my blog, and that's what I write about.
Oh, so you basically do the fusion of trending, like you do the mix up of both, or you just follow with the
Yeah,
trend.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, basically what I do is I look for like, as I already said, my biggest inspiration is fashion shows. So I look for
Mhm.
different fashion shows, like for example 10 fashion shows in line, and I pick a few elements like what's different, and then I mix up and then create something different.
So you attend you go and attend the fashion show, or you see like videos and all, and then you pull up the content.
Of course, I try my best to attend fashion shows, and that's one of my favorites. So I love attending
Okay,
fashion shows, but if I'm not able to, I usually watch videos because it's
videos
not
and all.
possible for me to
Yeah,
attend
yeah,
all.
every time is not possible. True, true.
Yeah.
So we will then switch to fifth
Yeah.
question. Yeah, okay, we'll then switch to fifth question. Can you tell some of
Yeah,
your
sure.
strength? Yeah, can you just tell us some of your strength that really helped you in blogging?
So I don't know, like what basically I believe helped me is that I have me as a person. I mean, I have restricted my content to what I am good at. Basically, I have just restricted my content to fashion and beauty, and that's what I'm good at. So that has like helped me create an image in this industry, because like if someone look at my blog, it's like it's restricted to one content and like what I'm always best at. I have not tried, or maybe in future I will somehow, but
So
till
in
now I
future,
have restricted it
yeah,
to
in
something which I am.
okay, in future, what you are planning to try, like apart from this fashion blogging, what you are planning to try, like any of the like passion you want to create with this blogging after this, like apart from this fashion blogging, you want to try some other blogging. So what would be that? In case maybe in future you might have thought of, right?
No, basically, I would not want to transform it from fashion beauty to something like, for example, food. I would never do that, because that's what I can't be informative when it comes to food and restaurants. So what I can do is like, if I really want to experiment, I can like, if that's what my creativity goes and it just striked about my mind, what I can do is I can mix food and fashion. Maybe we can do a conceptual shoots, and I can try something different with cupcakes and chocolates, for example. So we can experiment with that, but not something I would never transform my blog to uh, food.
Yeah, yeah. You want to stick to one of the blogging that you are expert at, so you don't want to get switched to any other blogging.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah, yeah. Not
Saloni, we would like to continue with our next question. Like, what do you think would, like, according to you, is the best strategy that work to get more traffic at your blog? Like, what strategies you conclude that it might work, or it is working according to you, that is connecting to
hmm.
your traffic and getting you
I
more
I
traffic on the blog?
I think one of the best strategy is interacting. The more you interact, the more you gain more audience. The best way is to interact more.
Okay. So interaction part you think is the best to pull the traffic like in the blog. So how you interact with the people like for first of course they need to come to your blog, then they'll visit, then you can interact with the people, right? So how you interact previously to
Yeah.
take them to your blog?
Yeah. So what like to gain new audience, what we can do is we can for example, just an example, what we can do is um we can give live sessions like in collaboration with different categories. For example, I am into beauty and somebody else is into something which is of a different category. So what we can do is we can like give live sessions and their audience can listen to our styles and our audience can go and like experience like or explore their sense of style or category, whatever category they are in. So that's what I meant with interacting more.
So, Saloni, who has impacted you? Just tell, who has impacted you the most in this blogging thing? Like, who had impacted you the most in the blogging and how? Who impacted you the most, or how it's impacted you the most in the blogging and how?
Is it something like my one of my are you asking like one of my blogger which I have seen and have influenced me or
Correct,
maybe
correct,
inspired me?
correct, 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 correct.
That's okay. Okay.
It can be
So
any of the blog or it can be
one
any
of
of the
my
viewer. Yeah.
so here I would like one of my favorite influencer is, and I would like to take the name is Kirsa Sparkles. So she like I have always followed her. It's been like years that I have been following her. So what she did was she has an like obsession for color pink. So she dyed her color pink. So like initially when I used to follow her, nobody used to like appreciate the thing that she has dyed her entire color hair pink. So but then now it has eventually become her USP. So the way she has transformed and the way she has improved herself, that's like fascinating. I see her blog and that's like one of the biggest inspiration. I mean, whatever she wants to do and then she is creating that as a USP, which is weird but which is fascinating. So I I usually follow her blog and I love her blog.
Okay, so that's so she only inspired you the most to be a like show of the fashion blogger.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
So our next question is how would you how would you spend your spare time? What do you do in your spare time?
Okay. So like apart from blogging, obviously you like blogging is something like you have to attend events and parties and shoots and you have to come up with something different. But apart from this, I am also I'm also fond of like surfing the internet. I mean, I love how digital and I am like fond of digging information on the internet, like apart from spending time with family and apart from traveling and enjoying shopping, apart from when I am free and at home, I love surfing on internet and exploring something or different, which is not related to fashion always, but something different. So yeah, so I love digging information over the internet. So one or two maybe website which I usually visit is Business of Fashion and WGSN, which is one of my favorite because it shows what's gonna be trending in next 2 years. So that's one of my favorite website and Wise India, which is not related to fashion, but also that's one of my favorite website too. So
Okay, so entire like in the spare time also you research for your fashion blogging. So it's into blogging only, right?
like
Like what?
apart,
Yeah,
not really related to blogging, but yeah, I love yeah.
you love blogging so much that at your spare time also you need not have a time to do anything else. You also search at that time, like what will be you
It's
will be.
basically not my love for it's basically not my love for blogging. Yes, of course I love blogging, but I also love digging information. I love okay, what is happening,
Only
something or the
regarding
other.
fashion,
What
huh?
else do I need to apart from fashion also Wise India is something which is not related to fashion. Business
Okay.
of Fashion and WGSN is related to fashion.
Okay, okay. No, for me, it's the first time I'm hearing this website. Actually, I didn't visit it, so I don't have a like the
You should
question to
visit
you.
it. It's like
Yeah, I don't have a question to ask you.
Okay, so
Like,
I would tell you it basically tells you what's gonna be trending in next 2 years. So you like sitting at home, you can know like in next 2 years what's gonna be the new trend.
okay, so you are planning for the next
So
two
it's a
years.
wonderful website.
Like you are planning for the next two
No,
years.
it's a
What you're
wonderful
gonna do?
website to like go and sit.
Okay,
It
okay,
you are always ahead of time like if you
okay. So we would like to go with the next question. Like, tell me your like, how would you describe your blogging style according to you? Like, what's your blogging style? Everyone has their different blogging style, right? Someone is doing
yeah,
blogging at
yeah,
their own style. Someone is doing at their own style. So, what you
yeah,
describe your
yeah.
blogging style? How you describe?
Yeah, so as we have already discussed, my style is basically fusion of different styles. So, like for example, the fashion shows, my style is a fusion of them. But apart from that, I would also call it like my style is a combination of um, elegance and provocative, like how you can be provocative and be elegant or simple at the same time. So that's what my style is basically. If you read about my blog, so that's what I have discussed about it. Basically, a combination, like if we call about color, a combination of pink and black, how we can combine it. So that's what my style and decorative, and maybe because I use a lot of accessories and I like to decorate when it comes to beauty. So that's my style in blogging.
That's cool. That's cool. So, Saloni, you might be very conscious about your beauty products, right? Like, according to me, because you are into fashion blogging and everything, so beauty products, you will be very conscious about your beauty products, right?
No, no, not really. I'm not really conscious. Um, I usually discuss about all of my beauty products, and like if you would surprised to hear about my beauty products. One of my favorite beauty products is actually homemade.
Homemade. That's great enough. Can you just share with us? Like,
Yeah.
I would also like to like apply it on my face. It'll glow like you.
So, of course, your face is already glowing.
No, no. Then also I want to make it more glow. So what is that
Okay.
beauty product that
So,
you?
so that I have done multiple videos on this, like about this beauty product. So it's basically you mix glycerin and rose water in a box, and then stir it, and then mix a few drops of lemon, then spray it on your face. So that's one of my best beauty products I have always been recommending to my audience.
So you make the video of this product.
Yeah, yeah, I made multiple videos, like
You have a
five to six.
YouTube channel, or you just put the videos on Instagram?
I put it on IGTV. I don't have a YouTube channel yet.
Okay, 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 okay. So, how long it will take to make the product? Like, if I started to making that product, how long it will take? According to me, how long it will take?
Two,
That product that you
two
told,
minutes
right?
maximum.
Like
It
finding the
takes no longer than 2 minutes.
okay, no, but it will take longer than 2 minutes, right? Like
You just have to mix two things.
only rose water, lemon.
No, you just have to rose water, glycerin, and lemon.
What rose water and
Glycerin and lemon.
oh, glycerin and lemon. We need to find it out, right? First, we need to find it out. Then we need to mix it up. Then we need to apply it. It will take like half an hour. So it's a long process. Look, but we would like to tell our viewers that it is very good at this quarantine period because people are at lockdown. People are not taking care of their face, and it is
Yeah,
very difficult to go outside and buy the beauty products. Okay, so they can use this homemade products
yeah.
by using some of the things like she told. You need to mix up three things, and you will get a glowing face like her. And you will also start doing blogging, beauty blogging. Okay, and even she'll promote her yours face at her page. We like we
Of
will tell our
course.
viewers.
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we would like to go with the next question. Like, what's your favorite magazine? Like Saloni, what's your favorite magazine according to you? The fashion favorite magazine that related to fashion.
The fashion. Yeah, so the fashion favorite magazine I have already discussed. I own website that is Business of Fashion and WGSM. So
So they
Business of
provide
Fashion
the
also has a
magazine also.
virtual. they provide the virtual magazine, but
Virtual
apart from
magazine.
that, I also follow Cosmopolitan. That's more of a fun magazine, like Cosmopolitan. But Business of Fashion is more of something related to what is trending and what is happening in fashion industry. Or WGSN is related to future fashion. So I love all these three, but one of my favorite is WGSN.
Okay, okay. So any of the crazy thing that happened to you through this blogging period, any of the crazy thing, crazy moment, like you would like to describe everyone, like this is the crazy moment according to you that you faced in your blogging journey.
Oh, crazy moment. Um, yeah, like I initially I started blogging when I was in college in Pearl Academy. So
So basically,
in
where are
Pearl,
you
it's
from?
like all the
Sorry to ask
faculties
you.
are working in.
At this
Yeah,
point
yeah.
of time, we are asking you, where are you from? Like I know, but my viewers don't know. Where are you from? Can you just tell our viewers like where are you from? Basically.
I used in Delhi, and I did my fashion designing from Pearl Academy, and then later on I did Pearl Academy in Delhi itself, and I did my styling from University, which is in Italy. So, and then I came back to India.
Okay, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, fine. We'll continue with the crazy moment. I would like
Okay.
love to hear
And
that.
yeah, and I started initially I started my first blog when I was in Pearl itself. So in
Okay.
Pearl, it's like all the faculties are working in college, but they also have a second job, which is they are working for a magazine or something. So I was working as a blogger, and then we met in a event which was of Cosmopolitan. So like during the event I didn't realize she's my faculty, but we were enjoying, we were having drinks and we were having wine, and we like I thought she's one of the Cosmopolitan, one of the member there. And so we had a lot of fun there, and we discussed, like we had a long conversation. So but the next day when I reached down to college, and I'm like, oh my gosh, she's my faculty, and like, okay. So so that was and like more than me, she was like, okay, my student was there with me at an event of Cosmopolitan yesterday. And then I realized, so that was like how I was introduced to my faculty there. She used to teach me designing, and so that was crazy. And like we were talking and we were having the fun. Okay, that was the other part, and now we are in college, and now we have to study
So that
about
was a
this.
weird one or crazy one, according to you?
Crazy and weird both.
Both.
So that
Okay.
was weird for her, because as a faculty, she like she thought I'm not a student, and then she was treating me as a member. But then on the next day, it was crazy for me because like on the both parts.
Okay. So, what would you like if a person, if a youth wanna start a blogging thing, like if they wanna start with a blogging, like the journey with a life in a blogging. So, what would you like to suggest them, like how they can continue the blogging and how they should continue, and how in case if they wanna connect to you with some of the help, like how they can reach out to you.
Okay. So one of the most important thing when it comes to vlogging is like you have to be constant. Like you have to, you cannot just write something today and then you are writing something the next week. You have to always be constant with your audience. So that is one of the biggest thing when it comes, like initially, of course, you have to be constant writing something every day. And also, if somebody wants to talk to me, you have social media and you have my email address mentioned there, so anybody can have their queries and then ask me, and I will
Okay.
always, like I am always very interactive with my audience, so I always interact with them.
She's very active and she'll answer all of your questions. So I would like to tell all of my audience that there is a Instagram link of her in between the description. You can go to the description. There is an Instagram link of her, and through the Instagram you can go and mail her any of the queries, any of the doubts, and any of the thing you wanna ask regarding blogging, and she would love to like cooperate with you, love to reply back you. And even she is active on Instagram and everywhere. You don't have to worry about that. She'll be 24-hour online, right? You're not 24 hours online.
Yes, yeah,
And
20
she, yeah,
24
24
hours,
by
yes,
7.
again.
Anytime you, yeah, anytime at midnight also, if you have any query, just ping her. She'll pakka reply. Okay. So, Saloni, as you told that you are from Delhi, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you told our viewer, like just a few minutes before you told us, like you are from Delhi. So we would like to continue the conversation in Hindi also because अब दिल्ली की हो यार, अब कुछ तो बनता है ना कि मतलब हिंदी में
हाँ
भी हो जाए। अब कितना
जी।
इंग्लिश में बात करें यार, बोर हो गया हम इंग्लिश में बात
हाँ
करके।
हाँ।
ठीक है। वैसे एक बात बताओ यार कि जब ये ब्लॉगिंग वगैरह, वैसे ब्लॉगिंग वगैरह का काफी क्वेश्चन हो गया, हम ब्लॉगिंग से थोड़ा अपार्ट जाते हैं, ठीक है।
ठीक है ठीक है।
चलो, तो ये लाइक आपके हिसाब से जो है ये जो जर्नी है ब्लॉगिंग का, नहीं लाइफ का जर्नी जो आपने स्टार्ट करा फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन एज, लाइक हाउ यू थॉट टू ब्लॉगिंग, तो पहले सोचा ही नहीं होगा, लाइक हाउ यू थॉट टू कनेक्ट योर लाइंस, लाइक अब ये बनना है, फ्यूचर में ये बनना है, आगे चल के ये बनना है, ये कब सोचा आपने कि नहीं यही करना है? आप इन फैशन में इंटरेस्ट होगा पहले से, दैट मतलब कोई डाउट ही नहीं है उसमें, पहले से आपको फैशन में इंटरेस्ट होगा, बट ये कब आपने सोचा, लाइक ये कब ट्रिगर किया माइंड में, नहीं अब यही करना है? आजकल क्या होता है ना, एवरीवन इज कंफ्यूज्ड लाइक रिलेटेड टू देयर ड्रीम्स, देयर गोल्स, लाइक बहुत लोगों के साथ ये हो रहा है कि बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स है बट किसको पकड़ना ये पता नहीं। तो आपके हिसाब से कैसा आपने चूज किया, लाइक हाउ यू चूज लाइक ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, लाइक बहुत सारा आपके ड्रीम्स भी बहुत सारे होंगे, लाइक ये करना है, क्योंकि हमारे सामने वही हो जाता है। एक इंडियन मेंटालिटी में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारी चीज आ जाते हैं हमारे सामने, ये करना है, इंजीनियर भी बनना है, डॉक्टर भी बनना है, आधे घंटे बाद चार्टर अकाउंटेंट भी बनना है, सब बनना है। तो वो घंटों घंटों के बाद जो हमारा चेंजेस होता है ना माइंड का, कि ये बनना है वो बनना है, तो ये आपके साथ हुआ है कभी, लाइक आपने इसके साथ कैसे डील किया और आज इस लेवल तक कैसे पहुंची आप?
हाँ, मेरे हिसाब से जो हमारे दिमाग में आता है ना कि ये करना है वो करना है, हमें लाइक शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए बट एक्सपीरियंस जरूर करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे ही पता चलता है कि क्या सही है क्या नहीं। तो मेरे को कब आया था ये, मैंने स्टार्ट किया था इवेंट्स। आई वाज मतलब मैं पहले इवेंट में थी, तो उसमें लाइक शॉर्टेज थी कि हाँ वहाँ पे कोई एक डिजाइनर नहीं है। तो इन इमरजेंसी केस मैंने उनका डिजाइन बनाए थे, और तब मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया था, मैं किसी कॉलेज में नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं किया था। तो मैंने बस ऐसे ही रैंडमली, कि मैं शुरू से फैशन में थोड़ा तो थी बट ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इतना इसी इंडस्ट्री में लाइक अपना प्रोफेशन यही होगा मेरा। बस फैशन पसंद था, इतना था। तो मैंने उनका फर्स्ट बनाया क्योंकि इमरजेंसी था, कोई और नहीं था तो बनाना था। तो हाँ वो, और सरप्राइजिंगली वो अच्छा था, मतलब वो सबको पसंद आया। और वहां से सब, उससे पहले मैंने बहुत चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करी। लाइक पहले मैं इवेंट्स में गई, इन व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, स्कूल में थी तब इवेंट्स में गई। तो उसके बाद दूसरी चीजें करी मैं, मतलब बहुत कुछ करने के बाद वो करा और वो सडनली क्लिक हो गया। मैंने कहा नहीं, क्यों ना यही किया जाए, बिकॉज इसमें मैं अच्छी हूँ और इसमें सब मेरे को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं और इसमें मैं अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही हूँ अपने आप को। तो वहां से मेरी फैशन जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई, इनिशिएट हुई। धीरे धीरे जब मैंने देखा ओके मैं एक्सप्रेस कर सकती हूँ, मेरे को अपना स्टाइल दूसरों को बताना चाहिए, तो फिर मैंने ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करी।
अच्छा अच्छा,
तो
चलो
मेरे
फिर।
हिसाब से एक्सपीरियंस करना जरूरी है, क्यों चाहे छोटी छोटी चीजें, उसी से पता चलता है कि तुम किस चीज में अच्छे हो। लाइक आज मैं सोचूं कि मैं इस चीज में अच्छी हूँ, जब तक मैं करूंगी नहीं मेरे को पता भी नहीं चलेगा।
नहीं, ये बात तो सही है, जब तक आप कोई चीज एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप कोई चीज सीखोगे नहीं, और जब तक आपको ये चीज पता नहीं चलेगा आप किस में ज्यादा गुड हो, किस में ज्यादा बेस्ट हो, तो वो आप शुरू नहीं कर सकते। पहले आपको ये समझना है कि हाँ मैंने ये करा, छोटे काम से ही सही, जस्ट डू द लिटिल वर्क, स्मॉल स्मॉल गोल सेट करो, वो गोल्स कंप्लीट होते क्या, जैसे सलोनी ने कहा, शी स्टार्टेड विद अ स्मॉल गोल, इवन शी वाज अनअवेयर ऑफ इट कि आज ये होने वाला है, लेकिन बट द बोलते नहीं जॉइन द डॉट्स, तो ज्वाइनिंग होता गया डॉट्स, और आज at this date she is so famous that people are like okay fine interrogating her, and she is one of the best blogger as we can consider. So like Saloni, वैसे ये जो अभी 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 वाली फीलिंग कैसी आती है, लाइक आपको क्या फीलिंग आती है जो बाहर की इंडस्ट्री है? अभी तो काफी लाइक इंडस्ट्री में बहुत रश है और बहुत भीड़ है कि मतलब काम मिलने का, तो हाउ यू थिंक लाइक इंडस्ट्री में जो है अपना एक प्लेस, जो हम बोलते हैं कि अगर अपना एक जगह बनाना है कोई भी नए इंडस्ट्री में, अपना एक अगर जगह बनाना है, तो क्या सबसे फॉरमोस्ट थिंग होना चाहिए, सबसे बेसिक थिंग क्या होना चाहिए, अगर आपको कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में जाके अपना प्लेस बनाना है, अपना ऐसा एक प्लेस जहां आपको इंडस्ट्री से काम मिलता रहे, तो आपके हिसाब से वो क्या है?
मेरे हिसाब से कंसिस्टेंट, लाइक भीड़ तो हर इंडस्ट्री में बहुत है, सिर्फ फैशन इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में ले लो। लाइक हर हर इंडस्ट्री में बहुत कंपटीशन है, इन शॉर्ट। तो बट कंपटीशन का मतलब ये नहीं कि वहाँ स्पेस बनाना ऑब्वियसली मुश्किल है, बट इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है। मतलब स्पेस बनाना है तो कंसिस्टेंसी रहना है। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, मुंबई कितने लोग जाते हैं रेगुलरली फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में घुसने के लिए, बट वो कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं होता है। लोग 2 साल जाते हैं, आ जाते हैं वापस, फिर कुछ और ट्राई करते हैं। बट अगर कुछ करना ही है तो उसमें कंटिन्यूअसली कंसिस्टेंसी करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली you will
मिलेगा
be
मिलेगा,
able to
आज नहीं
get into the industry and
सक्सेस मिलना ही
start.
है। अगर
Hmm.
आप कोई भी फील्ड में डटे रहो और आपको लगे कि नहीं छोड़ना ही नहीं है, जब तक ये काम में सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है मुझे इसी में रहना, तो आज नहीं तो अगर आपको सक्सेस मिलना ही है, नो डाउट। इनफैक्ट आप उस इंडस्ट्री में प्लेस भी बना लोगे, आप उस इंडस्ट्री में आगे तक चले भी जाओगे और आपको पता तक नहीं चलेगा। बट यू नीड टू हैव अ पेशेंस, कंसिस्टेंसी मेन है। विद अ पेशेंस, पेशेंस होगा तभी कंसिस्टेंसी होगा, कंसिस्टेंसी होगा तभी आपको आगे लाइफ में सक्सेस मिलेगा। तो वैसे सलोनी, वैसे पंजाबी हो सलोनी?
हाँ।
अच्छा, नहीं देखो आहूजा से समझ में आ रहा था इसीलिए मैंने पूछ लिया। हाँ,
हाँ, पंजाबी।
अच्छा अच्छा।
पंजाबी खाना खाना बहुत पसंद है, घूमना बहुत पसंद है।
और क्या पसंद है आपको? लाइक और क्या क्या आपका, आपकी पसंद क्या क्या है? चलो हम पसंद के बारे ही जान लेते हैं। इसके
घूमना
अलावा
पसंद
बताना,
है।
फैशन के
एक
अलावा
पंजाबी
बताना हमें।
फैमिली।
हाँ
हाँ, फैशन के अलावा बताया
हाँ।
कि एक पंजाबी फैमिली, लाइक बीइंग अ पंजाबी, हमारी
हम्म,
फैमिली में इट्स लाइक एवरीबॉडी लव्स कुकिंग, लाइक
हम्म।
लाइक द एंटायर फैमिली। तो
हम्म।
so when it like different we always like competition होती रहती है कि हाँ कौन कैसे बना रहा है, क्या अच्छा हो रहा है, क्या
हमें
नहीं हो रहा।
पंजाबी
तो
खाने में भी आगे
that's
होते
a
हैं, पीने में भी
typical,
आगे होते हैं।
हाँ, कल्चर। पीने में भी आगे होते हैं।
यही तो सबसे
घूमने में भी
खासियत।
आगे होते हैं।
हाँ, वैसे आप आपने अभी तक, मेरा नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही है, आपने अभी तक कहाँ कहाँ एक्सप्लोर करा, कहाँ कहाँ घूमे हो आप? लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, बाहर फैशन के लिए आप बहुत जगह गई होंगी, तो कहाँ कहाँ आपने अभी तक एक्सप्लोर करा है?
ओके, सो लाइक इन इंडिया, इंडिया में तो मैंने like मैं यूजुअली
नहीं, इंडिया से बाहर मैं
मेरा
बोल रहा हूँ,
काम ऐसा है
आउट
कि
ऑफ
आई,
इंडिया।
ओके, ओके, आउट ऑफ इंडिया, आउट ऑफ इंडिया, पेरिस
ओके।
फैशन वीक देखने गई थी, मिलान फैशन वीक, स्पेन, बार्सिल स्पेन, मे बी स्पेन में अबीजा, बार्सिलोना, एंड नीदरलैंड्स, मे बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्लेस आम्स्टरडम एंड
अच्छा।
वीगस। सो मतलब मेरा काम ऐसा है दैट आई गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ट्रैवल।
ओके। हाँ ये तो है, आपका काम ऐसा है कि अच्छा रहता
तो
नहीं, घूमने
इट्स वन
मिल
ऑफ द
जाता है।
सेकेंड एंजॉयबल थिंग। हाँ,
बताया। तो आपने ये सब तो बता दिया कि लाइक आपने कहाँ घूमा है अब तक और क्या क्या एक्सप्लोर करा है। मतलब इतनी जगह आप गए हो, ऑफ कोर्स आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी काफ़ी मिलती होगी, लेकिन इनके लाइफ तो काफ़ी अच्छे है जो ब्लॉगिंग में है, फैशन ब्लॉगिंग में। आपको बता दूं कि हर जगह जाते हैं, हर जगह घूमते फिरते हैं, ट्रैवल ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग वाले को तो और अच्छा है, इनका भी बहुत अच्छा है। बस हमारा ये है कि कुर्सी पे बैठे रहो, एक जगह पे बैठे रहो और काम करते रहो, ऐसा सीन है। इनका काफ़ी अच्छा लाइफ है, लाइफ स्टाइल देखो तो यार ऐसे ही बनो। अभी से क्या है कि जो भी यंगस्टर देख रहे हैं ना, अभी से ये पैशन बना लो, यही बनना है बस। सोचो मत, ये जो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होता है ना इतना सारा, इनको देख लो और एक ही चीज़ बनो और आगे जाओ। क्या सही बात है कि नहीं सलोनी? कि अभी से समझ में आ जाए कि ये यही बनना है, अभी एकदम पक्का कर लो यही बनना है। कंफ्यूजन जो माइंड में क्रिएट होता है इसको ऑब्सोलीट करके एक ही चीज़ बनो, और वो ये बनो, फैशन ब्लॉगर। तो आप हर जगह घूमने भी जाओगे, अच्छा अच्छा खाना भी खाओगे, और प्लस सब चीज़ का मेंटेनेंस भी रहेगा, हर चीज़ का मेंटेनेंस रहेगा। आपको जो समझ में आए वो करना, एटलीस्ट बोरिंग नहीं रहेगा, लाइफ विल बी लाइक एक एडवेंचरस रहेगा लाइफ में। सो लाइक सलोनी, हमने आपसे इतना सारा सवाल पूछा, वी ऑलरेडी टुक योर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ द टाइम, so we would like to like end up here itself. And of course I would like to tell everyone that there is a link down the description, Saloni का Instagram link है, go her, follow her in any of the cases you are preparing yourself, और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि लाइफ में लाइफस्टाइल ब्लॉगर बनना है, फैशनिंग में जाना है, कोई भी फैशन से रिलेटेड फील्ड में, तो गो एंड कनेक्ट हर, मेल हर, एंड शी, जैसे कि ये इन्होंने पहले ही बता दिया कि शी विल रिप्लाई टू वन ऑफ द मेल, लाइक इफ अगर एक भी मेल आता है हमारे तरफ से, तो शी विल हेल्प यू एट हर पीक। लाइक कुछ भी होता है, शी लाइक शी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अस कि 24/7 शी इज ऑनलाइन। सो उसके लिए आपको सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है, वो आपको हर टाइम रिप्लाई करेंगे। सो जस्ट गो एंड कनेक्ट टू हर एट इंस्टाग्राम। एंड आज के लिए मैं ही खत्म करते हैं, तो सलोनी, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, एंड थैंक्स फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस। लाइक आप आए हमारे साथ, थैंक्स फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस। We would like to again connect with you. Like in future, we would again connect with you. Again, would like to call to our show. ओके फिर आप जब बड़े आदमी और बन जाओगे लाइक और आप आगे सक्सेस मिलने लगेगा आपको तो फिर हम आपको बुलाएंगे एंड वुड लाइक टू कंटिन्यू कि हाँ यार इस टाइम लिया था इंटरव्यू आज तो आप यहाँ चली गई तो वी वुड लाइक टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट गैप सो बाय सलोनी टेक केयर गुड नाइट
Thank, thank you so much. It was fun.
ओके
And
नहीं बोरिंग क्वेश्चंस तो ज्यादा थे
hello.
वैसे फन तो नहीं था मतलब बोरिंग क्वेश्चंस मैंने ज्यादा पूछ लिए वैसे जितने भी थे बोरिंग क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा थे बट बोरिंग क्वेश्चंस में हमारे इतना टाइम लगे कि हम फन वाला चीज पूछ ही नहीं पाए तो ऑफ कोर्स वी विल ट्राई टू लाइक फिर से वी विल ट्राई टू आस्क हर few of the questionnaire like we will try to ask her few fun questionnaire but at the time when we will again meet her and again we will try to connect her in our show we will always love to connect with her like in past 2 year 3 years जैसे उन्होंने बोला ना कि वो 2 साल के बाद देखते हैं 2 साल के बाद वो इससे देख रही है हम भी 2 साल के बाद इनसे कनेक्ट होंगे कि हर चीजें 2 साल के बाद की देखती है तो अब जाहिर सी बात 2 साल बाद कुछ तो आने वाला है बिग गोना हैपन तो sure we'll connect to you again thanks a lot Saloni coming to our show and giving your like valuable time to us okay so bye bye Saloni take care huh?
Thank you so much.